Hello everyone, this is Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. I'm just stopping by tonight because I had an idea that I wanted to just go ahead and act on. It's kind of from my heart, an idea that came from my heart, I guess you could say. And that idea is I've only really received one Happy Mail, but after I received that Happy Mail, I felt like, you know, I was so blessed that I wanted to share it. And so this Happy Mail came to me, I think it was in February, like I think it was on President's Day. So I've had it for a few weeks, and just felt like I was so blessed. And so I wanted to kind of pay it forward. So my idea is to, whenever I get Happy Mail, if and when I get Happy Mail again, I am going to do a video on the Happy Mail and do like an unboxing, and then that will be an unboxing of the Happy Mail plus a giveaway, because I want to share the Happy Mail that I get and pay it forward. So that's my idea. It was been on my heart, and so when I get something like that, you know, an idea like that that's laid on my heart, I try to act on it. I don't just, you know, stuff it away and forget about it. I want to act on it. Like, for instance, if someone is on my heart, like I'm thinking about someone maybe I haven't talked to in a while, and so I feel like that's someone telling me, you know, to contact that person to make sure they're okay or something like that. So I don't know. That's just me, I guess, or I'm sure other people are like that too. But so this is the Happy Mail. This is not the Happy Mail, but this is part of the Happy Mail that I received in February from Aaliyah DePena, and it is also, I also won a journal from her recently, just like a week ago. So I've received that, and there was a goodie bag with that. So this is some of the goodies from that goodie bag. But I went through and I watched a video where I unboxed that Happy Mail and tried to go through, because I've already integrated all that stuff into my craft room and put it away. So I went through and watched that video again so I could go and find everything and put a little package together. So this is just a little pay it forward giveaway. It's not a subscriber, you know, celebrating my subscribers or anything. It's just a pay it forward, and that's what I'm going to do from now on. If I get a Happy Mail, it's going to be an unboxing of the Happy Mail and an immediate giveaway announcement. So under this video, if you'd like to enter this giveaway, just put a comment down there and be a subscriber. That's all I'm asking. And then we'll come back and pick a winner. And, you know, let's see, today's Thursday. Let's not put it off too long. I've got a major project going on right now, so let me get through the project, and then say on Monday or Tuesday. Let's do it on Tuesday, because Monday is April Fool's Day, and I don't want to, you know, anyone to think it's an April Fool's joke or anything. So let's do it on Tuesday. And so Tuesday night, sometime I'll do the drawing, and then we'll pick a winner. But what's coming along in this pay it forward sharing Happy Mail giveaway is, let's see, I've got some an interoffice memo vintage paper here. I've got a couple of pretty bags, and I love these. And you know, it's those are very handy to put in journals or make a little journal out of. I've got a ball or a couple of, I try to find more than one thing, you know, not just one of everything, but, you know, try to put a few things in here from each thing that I received in that Happy Mail. So some Balderdash scorecards, some of these large Rolodex cards, some, let's see, all kinds of goodies in here. These envelopes are like coin envelopes, but they're not the real small ones. They're like, here's my hand so you can see how big they are. Those, some vintage receipts, Let me see if there's more than one here. I think there's a couple there. Oh yeah, there's 2 of those. There's some vintage address book, little filler paper. So a few of those. There is some little lined notes here with numbers. And those are real handy to put in journals. Some, let's see, some coin envelopes. And then here I put some vintage buttons. So I've got vintage buttons in the coin envelope. And so you get the coin envelope too. And here's another coin envelope. See, there's something in here. I forgot what I put in here. There's some bulb pins in here. They're black. We've got some more receipts here. Quite a few of those. And these are the ones that have the yellow copy. So I've got quite a few of those there. Then, let's see, quite a few cards here. I've got an Urban Myth. Let me put these over here. Urban Myth, some Trivial Pursuit, some Milborn, some, this is another trivia game. So all kinds of fun cards to use. Here's another one of those. A little journaling card or a bookmark. Really cute postal related with a cute scene on it. A German flashcard. Some postage stamps and postal related items here. Quite a few of those. Ooh, there's a Star Trek one. Flowers, all kinds of postage stamps. And this is a little bag of charms. So some fun stuff here that someone can win and use in their journals. Cute little charms. So that's, and if I find anything else that I didn't put in here, I will add it to it, but basically that's probably going to be it. So lots of fun stuff there, really. And so just if you want to enter, just put your comment under this video and make sure you're a subscriber. That's all I ask. And then we'll do a drawing on Tuesday. Thank you for watching tonight. And that's my Happy Mail Pay It Forward sharing for today. And next time I will share it again. Thank you. See you next time.